friends, today I'm going to take you through how I tone and blend my hair extensions. So I'm using Full Shine today. This is not sponsored. This is what I always use because it's the best for the price. They're tape-in hair extensions. I'll link them below if you're interested in grabbing them. But just know they typically always come out yellow and you kind of have to color correct them before you put them in. See what I mean? So the first step to doing this is to fill your sink with cold water. Not warm, not hot. It needs to be completely cold. Then you're going to use a violet-based shampoo and just mix it in there. I would strongly suggest you get Alexus number 4P. It is definitely worth the extra dollar amount. It has amazing results to get that icy blonde. So you want to dip your hair extensions. I kind of just group them together so I can do this all at once. And to note, I'm using 2 packs of hair because I am going to be doing my full head. I'll have an install video probably on Sunday. So you dip the extensions, kind of run it through until you can visually see the tonality that you're happy with. Once you like the tone, you want to run cold water again through it for about 5 minutes until the water runs clear and there's no bubbles at the bottom. Then I like to go through and use a conditioning treatment. I'm using Alexus number 3 just on the ends. A good dupe to this is called pH Plex, also on Amazon. And again, you're rinsing it with cold water for about 5 minutes until the water runs clear and there's no bubbles. Then I move all this jazz to the floor just because it's easier. Take a vented wet brush. Do you hear my cat? Sorry. Take a vented wet brush, starting at the ends, working your way up to the top to comb all the rats out. And when you're squeezing out moisture, you never want to rough up these hair extensions like this with a towel. You want to take it hot dog style and squeeze out the moisture. This is going to save the integrity of the hair. Then I've got these hangers here. I honestly don't know what these are for because I'm not that fancy, but these are from a store called At Home. It's kind of like Hobby Lobby, just a bunch of things you don't need, but they do have a really nice hanger selection. So I clip 2 of these per clippy on this little thing, and then with this other one that I think is for pants, I do a single row on the bottom and a single row on the top and let these air dry. It typically takes about 4 hours to dry, and you can already see the difference on how much better this looks compared to at the beginning. It's a nice even blonde tone without a yellow tone, without an orange tone.